where they should go. And I take my metal shear and I just cut it.
So a flange is a tab, right?
Yes, a flange could be a tab. It could be a flange. Now, if it's outside, I would like to call it a flange. If you look at your drawing on this particular one, where when you have the two of the flanges or the tabs folded outward and connected together, such as what you have here, you make a flange. See? This is two, each one of these pentagon has a flange attached to or sticking out from it, and then so there on each of these areas there's two tabs inside, and it's being stitched together, right? Or if it's metal, it could be bolted together. So I just cut that notch, and then I'm going to cut another notch. Cut the other corner. So here we go. See how easy that is? And clean? Just like working with your Bristol board, right? You just have to apply more pressure. Now, to break or to bend these edges is going to be tricky. Now, because there's no accurate way, there is an accurate way, which I'm going to show you. It's very hard to find the accurate way to make sure that this plate, at the end of this plate is a V, okay? It comes to a point, right? If you look at the side of it, and then that goes down, and then in between is your metal. So inside is a V to catch it. So you want to line your scoured or scribed line exactly centered on the V here. So what you do is you bring the machine down, but not all the way, okay? Just bring it down, but it's not going to, you want it to make contact. When it makes contact, what happens, I can adjust, because there's a little bit of pressure on there, so my piece is not going to move, right? So I can now take my time to adjust so that that point on your plate is directly hitting the scribed line. So it's centered. So now I'm going to fold. Get.
Can you do that on the other side? Facing this way.
What do you mean? Do it this way?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it to all 2, 3, 4. 4 more times.
Can I do one?
Wait. Okay, I'll do one more, and then somebody, if you guys want to come and do it, that's fine. You see how I'm just kind of. See how it just sits there right now? Yeah. Basically, right now, the tip of the brake is just touching my metal surface, and it applies a little bit of pressure, but it's not going all the way down. It's not bending it, but it's holding it, right? So now, if I flow this way, see? And you see what I just did was I forgot that I had made a full revolution. So when I went to press it down, it actually opened up. So that I forgot. I was like, oh, I have to lift it. So same thing now. Does somebody want to come up here and line it?
Can you bend it more?